This is a model drawing question for a two-part problem. First, we need to take the first step for model drawing and read the entire question. On Monday, 106 students signed up for the Lighthouse team. On Tuesday, 11 fewer students signed up than on Monday. How many students signed up for the Lighthouse team on Monday and Tuesday? Next step is to underline our question and write our answer statements. We had students sign up for the Lighthouse team. So we'll put students. Next, we need to identify the who and the what. We have Monday and Tuesday students signing up for the Lighthouse team. So I'm going to put Monday's students and Tuesday's students. Then we write our unit bars of equal length. Next, we need to reread each sentence and look for clues. On Monday, 106 students signed up for the Lighthouse team. Stop. So we know that Monday had 106 students. On Tuesday, 11 fewer students signed up than on Monday. So on Tuesday, we need to take away 11 students. And then we need to put answer our question, ask our question again. How many students signed up for the Lighthouse team on Monday and Tuesday? We need to put our question mark in place. So we need to find out how many is 11 less than 106. So 6 minus 1 gives me 5. I cannot take 1 away from 0, so I take it from the 10. It gives me 9. So our question mark is 85. So how many students signed up for the Lighthouse team on Monday and Tuesday? We then take our 85 and our 106. We add them together. 6 plus 5 gives me 11. 8 plus 1 gives me 9. Our answer is 191. So we had 191 students on Monday and Tuesday. This is a two-part model drawing question. We start with the first step, which is to read the entire problem. On the first week of school, 365 students did their homework. On the second week of school, 23 fewer students did their homework. How many students did their homework the first 2 weeks? First, we need to underline the question, and then we write our answer statement. So how many students did their homework the first 2 weeks? We put students. The next thing we need to do is identify the who and the what. We've got students from the first week of school and students on the second week. So I'll put students for the first week and students for the second week. And we'll do some unit bars for that. Next thing we need to do is read each sentence one at a time. On the first week of school, 365 students did their homework. Stop. There's important information in that sentence, and that is that there are 365 students that did their homework on the first week. On the second week of school, 23 fewer students did their homework. Stop. So in the second week, we know that there's 23 less or fewer. How many students did their homework in the first 2 weeks? So first we need to find out how many did theirs in the second week, and then we have our other question mark saying how many students did their homework in the first 2 weeks. So the first thing we need to do is find out how many did their homework in the second week. So simply, we do 365 minus that 23 to find out our first question mark. 5 minus 3 gives me 2. 6 minus 2 gives me 4. 3 minus 0. So my first question mark is answered at 342. So to get my final answer, I combine my first week with my second week. 365 plus 342. 5 plus 2 gives me 7. 6 plus 4 gives me 10. 3 plus 3 is 6, plus 1 more. There are 707 total students who did their homework the first 2 weeks.